Kublai pi barong ipriang sungu bahai pi syak ni ketup kebor jengi menta ke janmit hasyam nya sedang nya pet syaya kimat ki bakongsan. Lapelat keseng kongres ya kimat rekam na kebentak election ke benlong hak arpnyo terik ubenai rempang lapen kre ikimat rekam hadien bela bisar benya ikijing jong kinong song ke Meghalaya. Kentat yu Chief Electoral Officer uba FR Kartngor ya kijing keno ki bami na kijing yakin at Phulbari layatu belakiam ya lai puwengut ki briu ki bedon kti ha kijing yakin at apdeng kinong treki NPP bat ka TMC. Presiden ke MPCC bat balong ru MP ke Shillong uba Vincent H Pala ulapin pau ya kijing sukia halor ka jingya soy soskular hapning ka Meghalaya bat ka Assam ha ka bedei bat ka jingya penbet pud ajingmut bantau da ka Border Commission ban penbet ya kijing National Secretary ka BJP Utaron Chok ulayalap election hanong po ulakren sepangki skim belawan rak da sarkar NDA belalam kemat da ka BJP. Ki khbar ki babanya haswa jong ka jingjiet nong mi kemat syaki yang dorbar thau an ka jala ka benlong haka arp nyau trek ubnai rempang ka seng kongres menta ka singi kelapelat ya kimat trekam ka jongka kani ka jing tho ka pen i ya ka jing angnut jong ka seng bat ki jingkular na ka benda ka jala hakiliang baper bakintop akarep karyang ka pule ka puthi ka kot ka khia ka jingtei bat ki jing pule puthi na ka benda ki khana kenthai na lor ki we ya kani ka matrikam lapalat da General Secretary ka All India Congress Committee Jairam Ramesh ha ka jing don lang AICC in charge ka Meghalaya Manish Charat hedu jong ka MPCC Vincent H Pala Chairman ka Manifesto Committee Celestine Lingdo bat ki we ki nong yalam ba khabat jong ka seng haba krench kilat patai kubor hadin kejing pelat pajba ya kimatrikam Ramesh uloong beladep ban penbit penbiang ya kini kimatrikam hadin belak mi banyak bahaya barok kejing belamat dekin nong song jangka jela.
So for the Congress this is a watershed and I will give you only two indicators of this manifesto has 14 big promises to be fulfilled over the next 5 years. Every year, we will present a report to the people of Meghalaya, giving a report card on the status of implementation. We have promised a job to every household, promised a power cut-free Meghalaya, I mentioned that to you. Corruption-free Meghalaya, most important, we will have a law against corruption. We will implement this law. We will have an ombudsman. We will have a strong anti-corruption machinery, and whatever the orders passed by legal authorities like the National Green Tribunal will be implemented fully, and we have promised a drug-free Meghalaya.
Chief Electoral Officer FR Kartngor ulakentat ya kijing ya keno ba kinong trikam ka seng TMC ke don benta ha kijing ya kenat kabami men ha kasngi baar jong katayo ha Phulbari ulakren syai ba unom la men penpau manu badon kti ha kati kijing ya kenat kabla don lang kinong trai ka TMC bad NPP hasnong char batapara hapo jong ka Phulbari constituency ha West Garo Hills district ulayathu ba kipulet kilala banyo jingtip syapang kitu kibaydan benta ha kati ka jingja na baro arkin hun kibaydan market ju ukar ngor ulayathu ba unom la ban ong manu badan kti ha kati ka jingja hadu bandadap lut ya kijing toket batla ai ka kai pot shau ulayathu ru baladap ban kem hadu lai puwengut ki briu hadu menta batla pengat kendon hapo jong ka section shispa nyo jong ka CRPC ya kumba shispa arpusan ngut ke baidon kti ha kati ka jingja
the TMC and the NPP in which there was a pelting of stones and some people sustained injuries. So, but the situation was swiftly brought under control when the police team from Phulbari police station, they arrived at the spot. Then the SDO Civil, who is also the returning officer of that area, he also along with the SDPO, they reached the spot and they stationed themselves there. So in Phulbari, as you know, on the 7th evening, late at night, there was a report that there was a clash between the NPP and the TMC, whereby the local MDC was passing through the particular area, and then the clash broke out between the TMC and the NPP, in which there was a pelting of stones and some people sustained injuries. And as per the reports which we received, the situation is under control and there are no further incidents in that place. And in Meghalaya, by and large, we have a culture of peaceful elections, and we feel that this incident may be just an aberration and will not be something which is the normal pattern in respect of the conduct of elections here in Meghalaya.
General Secretary ka All India Congress Committee Ujairam Ramesh minta kasngi ulati benya ia ki katuk ni ki seng san hima but ong bakini ki deki kinhun san hima basha panyaj ha ka BJP haba kren sekilat patai khubor hadin ka jing pelat pajba ia ki matre kam jong ka seng Ramesh ula ong ba ha ka Meghalaya ke NPP ka dei ka team A jong ka BJP but ka UDP ka dei ka team B ula benrap ba kini baro artli ki seng ki dei ki beidan benta ha ka plan jong ka BJP.
There is a new third puppet that has come into Meghalaya politics. JMC, not TMC, JMC, Jonas Mughal party, JMC. And there are puppets in different states. Here there is one puppet called the NPP. There is another puppet called the UDP. These are all part of the BJP's game plan. NPP is BJP's A team here, UDP is BJP's B team here, TMC or JMP is BJP's C team here, and BJP is the D team here. It is only the Congress party that believes not just unity in diversity, but unity through diversity.
Presiden ke MPCC bat balong ru MP na Shillong uba Vincent H Pala haba pinpawe kijing sngo kia halor kijing ya soy yaki soskular hapdeng ka Meghalaya bat ka Assam minchim snem banya penbet ya kijing yakin atput akin riut li ki jaka na pedeng ki khat artli ula ong baka sarkar kampat dep ban penbet ya kini kijing henrei kanang kampen kulmar susu ya kini kijing ya kaja lasyu ya soy klam da tua jing mut na ki briu ki basyong basa hakitu ki jaka bat baro ki baidan bentah ketika kam namar ba karu kompanyat ya ki jaka puta ha Meghalaya kia per na ka Assam ula ajing mut badai bantau no da ka boundary commission banyo ya ki lat ki lenti ki bapaka ban penbet ya kini kijing
with the aim, with the council, with the villagers, with all the stakeholders. It is not that achieved. Whether it's 12 or 22, whatever you say, different areas. The boundary dispute this government has not solved it. Rather, they made it more complicated. So when we do we try to solve the border, we have to discuss with people at the ground. Actually, in Meghalaya, because of the land tenure system, started different. The culture started different from Assam. So we should discuss with the aim, with the council, with the villagers, with all these stakeholders. It is not that a chief minister of one state sits in a 5-star hotel and another chief minister and say that we solve the problem.
National Secretary ka BJP Utaron Chok menta kasngi ulalek banyalap election na kabenta ka kertong ka BJP na nongpo ikong Marian Maring nalorjong uchok bad ikong Maring ha ka jingilap pa hamadan yele kai ha ombuda lawan banishim menta da bon kinong ilam kaseng BJP haba ajing kren uchok ku ula kentu yaki briu jong ka nongpo constituency bakin ajing kersyanya ka kertong ka BJP na kabenta banwanra yaki jingkala bat la pentikna baka sengkan penurlong lot ya baro kijing angnut jong kinong song anda la wanra anda kala poisha kabor ula penpau badan shibun ki skim la wanra da ka BJP kabla lam khmat da ka NDA ha ka sarkar pedeng
Hakan ni resmi ngayang nak benta jongki mungkin nong rep mau ci sang tip hakan ni ko nong ko konferensi jingi ki babun ki de ginong rep ki ba im haka rep karyang ki ba penim ki ba Christian school yala kayo kajong kaying gesem jongki ki babun ki de ginong rep dengar ngade kelong kemi ngade kariu kentei ngadi ke kunong rep ngayang nak benta jungki
Kaseng Trinamool Congress hinen kasngi kalaben yakiwe ki sengsan hima namar ba kimsham lakran haka parliament yaki jing ki bla slam bat ki bakta bha ya kajala haba ajing kran ha ka jing elang bat ki nong tho khubor haslong unong yelam ka AITC Parliamentary Party ubalong ru MP ka Rajya Sabha u Derek O'Brien uloong ba ka TMC ka dan ka thong na ka benta ka Meghalaya bat ka seng kalawan ra yakini ki mat jing yakran na ka benta ka jala haba kran shu sha pangkiru company yat yaki jing elang ha ka sin long jing elang ka bakhat du u O'Brien ula ong ba ka seng kalaya le kat bala ban kran ha parliament sha pangki jing ba ka Meghalaya ka yakendu
Charles Bigro and Dr.
Yes, after that, compilation.
Parliament is a platform. Parliament is a platform to raise issues and keep those issues in the public domain. Otherwise, if issues, it's the same way where media also is a great pillar to amplify and keep issues in the public domain.
Ka Meghalaya State Service Authority Shillong ya ka bala seng hapo jong ka Legal Service Authority Act Shia Jharkhandai spa prapunyo klapenlong ya ka National Lok Adalat ha ka jala menta ka sngi ha ka ne ka National Lok Adalat la bishar ya bontli ki mukaddima ki basa teng bat ki lat pen pinbet no yaki mentapat ngipet yak jilong jaman ka sunbeneng ha Shillong Kajing shet kalong kat nyo 0.2 degree Celsius bat kajing krat kalong 1.0 degree Celsius. Kajing sem kawaw kalong nyo pusaw nagsispa kapor menstep bat nru pupra nagsispa kapor janmin. Kasun benengkan rang bat terkong haki babun ki jaka. Haswa bengin pinkut ngipin kenau bing EP bayak ni kubor ke jongi. Nalor ke BPI ki television pilar ban pet live haki YouTube channel jong kadidi news Shillong na ke benta ki kubor ke baman lakas ni. Pilar ban pet yaki kubor jong kadidi news Shillong ha ke Instagram ke Facebook bat ke Twitter. Haswa bengin pinkut impet biang sai sen yakimat kibakong san. Palat ka seng kongres yakimat rekam na kabenta ki election ka banlong ha ka arpnyo tarik ubnai rempang lapen kre yakimat rekam hadien bla bishar penya yaki jing jong kinong shnong ka jala Meghalaya. Kentat u Chief Electoral Officer uba FR Korkngor yaki jing keno ki bami ha ka jing yakin at apulbari Layatu balakyam ya lai puwengut ki beriu ki badan keti ha ke jengaken at apeng kinong trai ke NPP bat ke TMC. U Presiden ke MPCC bat ubalong ru MP ke Shillong uba Vincent H. Pala. Ulapen pawi ke jing sungkia halor ke jingya soi soskular hapeng ke Meghalaya bat ke Assam ha ke bayi day bat ke jingya penbet put. Ai jingmut bantau da ke Border Commission ban penbet ya ki jingya. U National Secretary ka BJP utaron chok ulay yalap election hanong po. Ula krench pangki skim belawan ra da ka sorkar NDA belalam kemat da ka BJP. Ti perlok katung lapoi syaka bekut jong kani ketup kubor jingi menta ka janmit hadup dan syamang bat pila syai ka sengi blay pi baro.
Akshay, has everyone understood? Good, very good. Let's do it again.